In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know who is visiting my Facebook profile. Right at the start, it's important to set expectations clearly. Facebook does not provide a feature that shows who has viewed your profile. What I'll do is show you step by step how to confirm this inside the Facebook app using Facebook's own help center. That way, you're relying on official information, not rumors or misleading third party tools. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. From the home screen, go to your profile icon. Depending on your device and app version, this might look like your profile picture or be accessible through the menu, but it will take you to your personal profile area. Next, look for help and support. You'll usually find this toward the bottom of the menu. Tap on help and support and then tap on help center. This opens Facebook's official help resource right inside the app, so you don't need to leave or search the web. Once you're in the help center, use the search box at the top. Type the phrase, "Who can view or visit my profile?" Press search and open the article that addresses this topic. In that official answer, Facebook states that it does not allow users to track who views their profile. It also explains that third party apps, websites, or browser extensions cannot provide this functionality. If you encounter any app or service that claims to show profile visitors, Facebook advises you to report it. Take a moment to read that article closely. It's there to protect you from scams that promise something Facebook doesn't support. Be cautious of tools that ask for your login, request unusual permissions, or push you to pay for visitor lists. Those are red flags. If you see anything like that, use the report option provided by Facebook to help keep the community safe. And that's it. You've confirmed the answer directly from Facebook. There's no way to see who is visiting your profile, and any service claiming otherwise isn't legitimate. Knowing this can save you time, protect your account, and help you avoid risky downloads or sharing personal information with untrusted sources. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Facebook tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.